Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a rich and creamy mocha hazelnut iced frappe that's packed with bold espresso, smooth chocolate, and delicious roasted hazelnut flavor. This refreshing blended coffee is perfect for hot days or whenever you're craving a coffeehouse-style treat. Best of all, it's quick, easy, and made with simple ingredients right at home. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled 1 cup milk whole, almond or oat, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 2 tablespoons hazelnut syrup, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 cups ice cubes, whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, chopped toasted hazelnuts for garnish. Directions. Begin by brewing 2 shots of espresso or preparing a 1/2 cup of strong coffee. Allow the coffee to cool completely before blending to keep the frappe thick and icy. In a blender, combine the chilled espresso, milk, chocolate syrup, hazelnut syrup, optional sugar, and ice cubes. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and perfectly frosty. If the consistency is too thick, add a splash of milk. If it's too thin, blend in a few more ice cubes. Pour the blended frappe into a tall serving glass. Top generously with whipped cream. Then drizzle chocolate syrup over the whipped cream for an eye-catching finish. Sprinkle chopped toasted hazelnuts on top to add a delicious crunch and enhance the nutty flavor. Serve immediately with a straw and enjoy every refreshing sip. The bold espresso, rich chocolate, creamy milk, and roasted hazelnut create a perfectly balanced frozen coffee that's ideal for warm afternoons, weekend brunches, or anytime you want a luxurious homemade cafe-style beverage. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this delicious mocha hazelnut iced frappe recipe. If you make it at home, leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more amazing coffee recipes. Until next time, stay cool, keep brewing, and enjoy every refreshing sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.